Good morning. I hope you're well. Today I'm popping down to Jalon just to check out the swimming pool down there. I don't know if you know Jalon very well, but they have a really big rastro on a Saturday, and I've never been to see the swimming pool, so I thought I'd just take a look. I came down here today on a quick trip because my computer's gone wrong and I'm having big troubles, and but I'm hoping to sort it out later today. So, with luck. So when you park in the car park where the rastro normally is, you look to the back and there's a bridge going over the river, which is almost non-existent at the moment. But by the way, in the winter, that is an absolute torrent. So we get a glimpse of the pool, or one of the pools. I had no idea how far it was across this bridge, but it's literally across the bridge. It's a beautiful day here in Spain today, but it normally is. So this is the swimming pool. Unfortunately it's shut, so I can't go in and walk around. You see there's a pool over there. I think that's it's like an adult pool. And this one in front of us is, I think, the children's one. Could be the other way around. But it's nice. Mountains in the background, cool. Just another version of it. It's nice, I must come down here when there's more people. This is just looking into the over the bridge where there's just a trickle of water coming through. But seriously, that fills up right over the top. It's unbelievable in the storms. It was actually a car went in it here. Now we're in Benissa. Years ago, and they found the car in the ocean. It washed it, it must have been 15 kilometers or more. Now, this is very famous. The pub in Jalon, where the boss pours red wine out of one of them pouring jars and rolls it down his head, down his cheeks and into his mouth. And this actually bar, the Hallelujah bar, I used to play in that with my band.